And today we're making a spring pasta recipe jam-packed of vegetables. This pasta is as healthy as you get. In fact, you can pack it with a lot of vegetables, maybe have a little bit less pasta, so it goes really well with diets because you still get that kind of fantastic feeling you have when you have pasta, but because of all the vegetables you're eating, it's mega healthy. Of course, you can make it vegan, but I'm gonna add some cheese at the end, but you do you. So for the ingredients, we got red onion, zucchini, pepper, aubergines, some cherry tomatoes from Sicily, these are super sweet and delicious, basil, of course salt, the ricotta salata, and for the cooking we're gonna use Olistico Black, the family pack for the cooking, and we're gonna finish it off with Olistico Gran Cru. For the pasta, I love the big pacchetti. They are massive and they can contain all the sauce inside it. Ooh, and I was about to forget, all of this stuff is cooked in the air fryer, so no dirt, super quick. I mean, come on, let's just get cooking. Because things cook all at different speeds, we're gonna go in order of which one cooks the longest, so we keep building up on the cook. On the tray, you wanna remove everything. First things that go in, tomatoes, keep them whole, olive oil. Give it a good mix. The whole thing should cook, depending on how big you cut the pieces, about 40 minutes, and we're gonna cook at 160 Celsius, so quite low. We're gonna use the roast function. So the tomatoes go in. The next one that takes the longest is the aubergine. Best way to cook it, I find, you take a little piece, you take a slice, so you have a flat surface, and then you start slicing it to the thickness you want your little cubes to be. I like them about half a centimeter. Once you have them like this, you can stack them. Sometimes people love putting aubergines in salt because that drains away some of the bitter liquid. Now, when I mix it together with kind of sweet ingredients like the pepper and the tomatoes, to be honest, I don't really bother because it's just an extra step that adds time, and to me it doesn't add that huge amount of value. Then we cut it into little cubes like this. And as they get prepared, you put them in. A little bit more of the Olistico family, little mix, and goes back in. So for the sequencing, so you don't have to watch 2 hours of me chopping stuff up, are aubergines, followed by peppers, followed by zucchini, and finally followed with some fresh onion. This goes towards the end because it actually doesn't need much cooking, if not cooking it at all. And then if you leave it there too much, it becomes all crispy. You don't want that. So this all the way at the end. From time to time you check this, and I think this time it needs a little bit more olive oil, because after with olive oil, everything tastes better. With this recipe, the consistency of your vegetables is the key. You want something fresh. And to make something fresh, basically they need to be barely cooked. Obviously, they need to be cooked, but you want that little crunch, that little texture to the bite. So we need to keep an eye on it. Usually 40 minutes is perfect, but you don't want it to turn into mush. I almost forgot. Salt. And while you wait, a glass of wine. Last 10 minutes, we increase the temperature. 180. Last 4 minutes in the air fryer, we're gonna add the onion. One final mix, one last taste, adjust for salt, and then we're ready. And now it's time to boil the water for the pasta. Rolling boil, salt, and in with the paccheris. These have a staggering 18 minutes worth of cooking time. And this is because they're really high quality pasta, which I'll show you how it looks like. See, the color is not bright, it's kind of dull. You can see this texture. This is because it goes through a bronze shaper and is slowly dried. And like everything good, you need to wait some time to be able to enjoy it. So this takes 18 minutes, so let's start putting them in. In the meantime, this is ready. And see, this is a lot of sauce. So you don't actually have to make that much pasta. This can be a really healthy yet extremely joyful first course dish. What I love doing now that it's still super hot is breaking a lot of basil. The heat will make sure the fragrance comes out. This is really summer, really fresh. And you always have time to adjust for salt, so use sparingly. One final taste. This is fine, no adjustment. But if you did, now's a good time. It's still warm, salt will dissolve, no problem. Our pasta is ready. and into our beautiful veggie-filled sauce. Look at the color. The aromas are like an explosion. Amazing. Just gonna add a splash of water, of cooking water, of course. I mean, obviously this is not creamy, but the water will allow it to make it a little bit smoother. And this is the final product. If you want, you can put some more ricotta salata. Super healthy. You don't even dirty much because everything goes in the air fryer. You gotta eat this. Buon appetito.